taken.
Yo, listen up, we're here to debate. ChatGPT and Ella, let's illuminate. The students on the mic, ready to share. Let's read the pros and cons if you dare.
I'm all in. Let's talk about the first. ChatGPT changing how knowledge works. Instant answers and the 7 support. Learning is more fun. It's a whole new sport.
Feel you, but let's not get blind. AI is great, but what about our mind? Can we just the info that it sends our way? Sometimes it misses, leading us astray.
Great points, both sides. Now let's explore the advantages first and then we'll open the door. Ken, what else do you think is grand?
Well, it personalized caters to me. Learning at my pace, that's the key. From math to science, it's all at my hands. With ChatGPT, I can truly expand.
But hold up, my friend, let's keep it real. What about creativity? How will we feel? Relying too much on AI, and what's the cost? We might lose our edge, our skills might get lost.